Welcome to the Gamified Cohousing app. We will show you here two case scenarios. Case 1. Sophia. She lives at Hyrsylän Koulu and pays €500 rent for 50 square meters of private space. But she can also use an extra 400 square meters of shared spaces where she or anyone else can make her own business. She can also just earn money by doing simple tasks like cleaning the windows or mowing the lawn. She sees the task on a list: mow the lawn. Deadline in 1 week. Earnings €40 plus 10 social points. She clicks yes and does the task. The neighbors, John and Anna, got informed, and after the task was done, they rated the quality of it. If all is well, she gets the full amount. But next month, no one was able to mow the lawn. So after the deadline, the app sent an email to a company and a gardener came to do it. It costs more to everyone, €50, but no one had to bother doing it. Case number 2. John and Anna. They bought an apartment at Hyrsylän Koulu at a lower price than the average rate. They also pay a monthly household fee to keep the house on track. This money can come back to them if they work for the shared spaces of the house. Anna gives yoga classes every week at the shared spaces. She books the room via the app, pays a small rental fee, smaller than an outside renter, and earns money from the participants. John and Anna leave their 2 kids in the nursing area with one of the neighbors who takes care of them, and who, of course, earn money and points for that. As they travel so much, John and Anna, they often rent out their apartment to others to either live or to do workshops. When they come back from shopping groceries, they also put some of these in the shared kitchen. They scan some cookies and put it on the shelf. Sophia gets informed in the app that new cookies are available for the original price of X plus 5% that goes to John and Anna for their work. She picks up 1 cookie pack, scans it, and it's paid from her account. All is managed by the app, so easy, and they can change or add new rules or tasks in it. The house is a cooperative, so all the profits of the shared spaces are divided according to the shares of ownership of the housing cooperative.